Want to fix NFL Sunday Ticket app showing a black screen? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is close the application. For that, exit out of the app, then open the app switcher and swipe Sunday Ticket app. After that, you want to open up your settings. Then tap on apps. Now scroll down and find Sunday Ticket, then tap on that. Now tap on the force stop option, tap on OK. Once that is done, you want to clear the app cache. For that, tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. Then open the app, log into your account and check if your application is fixed. If it is still not fixed, you want to update the application to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store. Then search for NFL Sunday Ticket. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If you're using a VPN or ad blocker, you want to turn it off. These can block the stream from loading. Finally, if nothing else works, you want to reinstall the app. For that, tap on the uninstall option. Then you can download this again from Play Store or App Store. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.